Hello, social. Well, this is my household tip to you. Yes, it is Saturday night. I am not out and about having fun. I am home cleaning my oven because I have to work the entire weekend. So this is what I did. I have used Easy Off. I have had chunks of my skin go missing from that stuff. So I'm on to other easier, nicer things. So baking soda. Blue Dawn has to be the Blue Dawn. Take it, mix it with some water, lather the entire inside of your oven, your glass door, let it soak. The longer the better. This baby's been soaking since 8 a.m. Now we're 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 7, and I just clean this out. Check it out. It's perfect and it's easy on your skin. So your oven will love it. You'll love it. Go have fun.